Paying rent is not the same as throwing money away. Hi, I'm Keith Weinhold, longtime host of the Get Rich Education podcast. I'm also a writer at Forbes, and I write for the Rich Dad Advisors. Look, how much time do you really want to spend shopping at Home Depot on the weekends or doing online research to figure out how to fix a garage door or a leaky faucet? That's part of the lifestyle of a homeowner. And you might not mind doing that stuff, but you really do have a better and higher use, and there are probably things that you would rather do. So it's not necessarily throwing money away when you pay rent. Look, when you go ahead and pay $500 to rent an airplane seat for 6 hours, you didn't say that that was throwing money away. That is because in either case, when you were on an airplane or when you rent a home, you have the benefit of using each item. That's why it's not a waste. Look, a home is not an asset. A home is a liability. That's part of Robert Kiyosaki, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, the best-selling financial author of all time. Because an asset is something that puts money into your pocket every month, but a liability is something that takes money out of your pocket every month, which is what a home does. And that's true whether you are a renter or a homeowner. There are really about 18 considerations that I've come up with between should you rent your own home or should you own your own home. And there's really so much more than meets the eye, and there's no one definitive answer. But at least when it comes to finances, not feelings, but finances, it generally makes the most sense for you to be a renter yourself in a high-end home and then purchase many low-cost income properties that you actually rent to others. I'll try to break down all 18 of those in an article that I will link you to from here. Should you rent your home or should you own your home? I don't know, but check out these 18 considerations and decide what makes sense for you. But just remember, paying rent is not the same as throwing money away. My name's Keith Weinhold. Thanks for stopping by.
71% of Americans aren't saving enough for retirement. It's going to get worse as people live longer, and you need to start thinking differently. But you can't lose your time. Real estate is the investment vehicle that's made more ordinary people wealthy than anything else. Keith Weinhold of Get Rich Education is host of one of America's top investing shows, Disrupting Wall Street. He's an international best-selling author, a writer for Rich Dad Advisors, and has been an active income property investor since 2002. He has created thousands in passive monthly income for countless followers, and now he has a free book, The 7 Principles for Creating Wealth in Your Life. Get your copy now at getricheducation.com/book. That's getricheducation.com/book. Because invest in what produces income for you now and later. Keith Weinhold is your guy. Sign up now at getricheducation.com/book.